Are you like me and many others? You have a trailer, a motorcycle, an ATV, or a golf cart, and would like to put both of them in your garage, but you just don't have the space? Well, if that's the case, I might have your answer. I tried forever to find some means of coming up with space in my garage where I could bring my trailer in and my motorcycle, and that space just wasn't there. So I decided the only way I was going to be able to put both of them indoors and protect them was to stack one on top of the other. And by doing so, I needed to have some means of taking my trailer and attaching the tongue of the trailer to the garage floor and stabilize it while I was loading and unloading my motorcycle. What I came up with was a stand that would do just that. The stand is made from 1/8 inch steel. It's been professionally welded. As you can see, it comes with either an 1 7/8 inch trailer ball or a 2-inch trailer ball. I've also attached instructions for the installation of the stand, and I have a masonry bit and 2 3/8 inch anchors to anchor it to the garage floor. The stand, as it sets, is designed to accommodate up to a 12-foot trailer and a maximum load on that trailer of 1,500 pounds. So the stand will take you approximately an hour to install, and you can do it in 4 easy steps. So let's take a couple of minutes and I'll walk you through those 4 steps, and you can see just how easy this will be. First of all, when you bring the trailer into your garage, the thing that you've got to ensure is when you get the trailer in, you've got it where you want it. You position the trailer tongue here. The biggest thing that you have to ensure before you do anything as far as fastening it to the floor, you have to ensure that the garage door will open and close without the back of the trailer obstructing its movement. So once you get the trailer in, position it where you want it, and that is step 1. Next, the step 2 is when you take the stand itself, the stabilizer stand, take it, put the trailer hitch ball up into the coupler on the tongue of the trailer and lock it down. Let the trailer stand set on the floor. The braces on the floor need to run parallel with the axle of the trailer. Take a pencil, mark the holes where you want to, where you'll need to drill those holes. Once you've got the holes marked, all you need to do is drill them, drop the anchors in the holes, and tighten them down. You need to ensure that once you tighten them down, that they are good and snug, because the anchors will expand with pressure, and so the more pressure you put on them, the more the anchor is going to expand in the concrete, and it will give you a better seal and a better hold on the stand. So at this point, steps 1 and 2, we've got the trailer positioned in the garage. The garage door opens and closes without any obstructions. We have the trailer bolted, or the stand bolted to the floor, the hitch on the stand, and locked in place. Step 3. Step 3 involves the chalking of the tires on the trailer. As you can see, I have chocks in front of and in rear of the tires on the trailer. You have to ensure that once you chalk the tires, that the chocks are good and secure against the tires, and you have the tires on both sides of the trailer chalked. You have to ensure that the trailer does not have any movement forward or backwards. If you do not chalk the trailer and you rely solely on the stand, every time you try and load either the ATV or your motorcycle the weight of that item is going to push against the stand, and in time the stand will break, and when you attempt to load your item onto the trailer, the stand will fail. It will cause you to have an accident and somebody to get hurt. The fourth and the last thing I would recommend you do, as you can see on the back of the trailer, I've taken 2x4s and cut them and stood them on end on the back of the trailer, so that when the initial weight of the motorcycle, when it comes onto the trailer, the 2x4s will support the rear of the trailer, and it will take off any type of pressure that might be applied to the tongue of the trailer and to the stand. It's a simple fix. It's a common sense measure for safety, and it only costs about $2. It'll be the best $2 that you spend. That is step 4. Before you attempt to load your motorcycle, go back to steps 2, 3, and 4 for a safety check. Go back to step 2, ensure that the coupler on the trailer tongue is firmly attached to the stand, that the locking device is down and the trailer tongue is locked firmly on the stand. Number 2 is make sure that both sides of the trailer tires have been chalked front and rear. And 3, you have the 2x4s cut and stood on end at the back of the trailer. Once you've done those things and you're satisfied that everything is in place, you're ready to load your vehicle. If you feel that the trailer stand is what you're looking for and it will work under your circumstances, I would encourage you to go to my website at www.tongue-tied-trailerstabilizers.com, and you can find there everything you need to know about the trailer stand and all of the information you will need if you choose to purchase it. Enjoy the extra space that you have in your garage, and be sure that you take time to be safe.